Based on your suggested details, result table number 1 at value table number 5 now. Please follow my instructions.
Jo.
Are you comfortable in this table? That's it, please. How much would you like me to wait for the last?
Salit.
There's some water now.
Action.
By the way, now, would you like to try our first complaint to about the potato juice, honey, lemonade, and melon juice? Which one would you like to try? By the way, now, would you like to try our first complaint? We have potato juice, honey, lemonade, and melon juice. Which one would you like to try? And for perfect credit request complaint, you can try the complimentary bill. Alright, now the first complaint was selected our potato juice and complimentary bill. Does it sound good? Let's wait for a while. I'll be serving your selection within a minute. Yes, ma'am. And let's serve the juice. And here's our complimentary bill.
Tay.
And here's our complimentary bill.
Tay. Salit.
Now, I will run the value to the finger and I will bring it out there. Make it a little bit now. Excuse me now. So I'm going to go to the first direction. Otherwise, I will have a little bit.
Tay.
Alright, now can I take it over now? Alright, now would you like to try our first specialty of the day? We have a dark soup or a little bottom for first serving. I'm sure that if you want to do this right.
Yes, please. For my dessert, I tried chocolate matcha.
Okay, now since you are on a special boss, we would like to offer you a complimentary bill. Here's our 100 bills. Okay. And for our particular instrument, first we would like to comment on the Daniel Woodward. As a perfect turtle that this ribbon is originated from France, made by Albert Mugabe 1698. It contains 10% alcohol and the heart of the body like a try now. Alright, now we have been able to get for the ribbon for the next order. Alright, now I will take the order. First, we have selected white milk distributor. For the milk, we have selected a special delivery, specifically the dried beef steak. And we have selected the Medellina with dried with purple flavor and milk. We also selected the chocolate contact for the dessert. And you have a full description of the delivery. Did I mention that correctly now? Now you are going to serve within 20 minutes. Please go with us. I'll be right back to the delivery. Please, ma'am.
Action.
Excuse me, Mr. Chief. Can I have the check number 1? I'll be back here.
Salit.
Excuse me, Mr. Chief.
Action.
Sa marketing na lang is Islam. Mga subject. Ito sa case na
Action.
service ka na service.
Action, sige.
May ma'am, I see na line. This is this originated from France, made by Albert Mendalis in 1900. It contains 10% alcohol and alcohol. A perfect girl remains, which is dark lipstick. Would you like to try now? Excuse me. Excuse me, this is the dark lipstick. Okay. Ma'am, are you done? May I tell you to show you this now?
Action.
Ma'am, are you done? May I tell you to show you this now? This now.
Action.
This ma'am, just look at it. Okay, you decide, ma'am, di ito eh.
Action.
Excuse ma'am, are you done with this, sir? May I tell you to show you this now? This is it.
Action.
Excuse ma'am, how would you like to prepare your favorite chocolate? Ma'am, I received 500 pesos and your bill is for 50 pesos. And the rest back to the phone. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I received, sorry, but ma'am, I received 50 pesos and your receipt for application for her. Thank you. Here's the copy of your Dahil ma'am, how about it, ma'am? How about our service, ma'am? We have been suggesting more medication tonight. How we might improve our services for?
You already sent the service, sir. It's a big thumbs up for me.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful feedback. Thank you. Come again.